Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to find your saved items or saved listings on the Facebook marketplace. So now the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or any web browser. After that you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace, and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. So after you reach the marketplace on the Facebook website, all you need to do is to search here in the saved things or saved items here in the menu of the Facebook application or website. And then you will click on saved, and basically here in your saved you can have like another listing or another collection, or you can have them here in the favorite listings. So as you can see, this item isn't available because I already deleted it. So basically let's go back to our marketplace and save this one as an example. And basically all I need to do now is to go to the menu and search in saved, and basically I will find my listing here and you can just click on it and it will take you to your saved items. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.